Inspiring goose facts that will amaze you. In the heart of nature, geese soar, epitomizing unity and strength. A sight truly inspiring. Their migrations span thousands of miles, showcasing endurance and a deep-rooted sense of direction. Remarkably, geese fly in a V formation, a strategy that conserves energy and symbolizes teamwork. Even on the ground, they protect each other, proving that community is their ultimate strength. Let the journey of the goose inspire us to embrace unity, resilience, and the power of collaboration.